皆さんこんにちは。私の名前はシュバムです。Hi guys, this video is about how to install Python 3.8 in your Windows system. Just Google it as you see on the screen. Just I Google Python 3.8 and here's the link. Click on any link. So you will go to the Python's community website. Now click on downloads and get the latest one. Here's the latest one version, which 3.8.5. Now download this in your machine. Now go to your download folder and click on the file to start your download. Now click now, install now. This process may take some time, so just wait for it. After installation, now click on close button and just forward my video. Here your Python is installed. Now open CMD and check. Let's check out is installed or not. So I just type Python. So here your version installed is 3.8.5. Okay, that's successfully installed. Now let's just do any program. It's a hello world. Yep, it's successfully installed. Now do it exit. If you want any videos in Japanese language, please do comment below so I can make videos on Japanese language. If you want videos in JavaScript, Java, C, C++, you want any queries, I will make your videos. This is our shell. Let's do the same program. Let's print up. It's very simple programming and you can learn it is very easily. Thanks for watching my video. If you want in program in Japanese language, please do comment below and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.